Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the cooling fan on a Dell Latitude 5490. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove base cover screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then remove chassis screws. Next, disconnect cables to release and remove chassis frame. Then disconnect and remove cooling fan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.